my brain sent out chemicals to make the bleeding stop like ketchup. It's job to make it thick like ketchup. It was bleeding a little bit. I was crying when it was bleeding because I bumped myself really hard, and I was really crying when I saw the bleeding. I banged onto napkins so that I could get all the blood off, and when I was crying a lot, Daddy said, "Stop, stop, stop, stop," because it was only a little blood.
But you're okay now, huh?
A little bit, but it still hurts, so stop touching my lip.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.